details about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was born in 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat in British India. His birthday is celebrated on 31st October. Sardar Patel's full name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel. His father's name was Jawaharlal Patel and mother was Ladba. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a lawyer and influential political leader in the Indian independence movement. He played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united, independent nation. In 1930, Sardar Patel completed his degree in law in London and came back to India to start his law practice in Gujarat. But in 1917, his meeting with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi changed his life completely. He was deeply influenced by Gandhiji and gave up his successful life as a lawyer to fight for Indian independence. Vallabhbhai Patel joined the Congress and was an important leader of the Indian independence movement. Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 earned him the title of Sardar and made him popular throughout the country. He also fought against national issues such as alcoholism, untouchability taboos, caste discrimination, and worked for the empowerment of women. After India gained its independence, Sardar Patel was given the Herculean task of the political integration of India. He is responsible for unifying 562 princely states to build the Republic of India. This earned him the title of Iron Man of India. After independence, he became India's first Deputy Prime Minister. He was also the first Home Minister of independent India. The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Memorial in Ahmedabad was established in 1980 at the Moti Shahi Mahal. His birthday, 31st October, is celebrated as National Unity Day, a national celebration in India. On his 143rd birth anniversary on October 31, 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the Statue of Unity in Gujarat's Narmada district. It is the world's tallest statue. My only desire is that India should be a God producer and no one should be hungry shedding tears for food in the country. By Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.